Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving deep into Power BI. You know, getting started with any new technology can feel a little overwhelming, like you're standing at the bottom of a giant mountain looking up. But trust me, by the end of this, we're going to have a clear map right to the top.
I mean, at the end of the day, this is the question, right? Businesses everywhere are asking this every single day. We're just swimming in information. But the real trick is turning all that messy, raw data into something that actually tells a story, something that helps you make a smart move. And that, well, that's the whole problem we're here to solve. So our journey really begins on the Microsoft Learn platform. It is an amazing resource, just packed with guides on pretty much any Microsoft product you can think of. But all of that choice creates its own little problem. Where in the world do you even start?
I mean, look at this. You log on and you're immediately hit with all these options. Azure, Dynamics 365, .NET, GitHub, Microsoft Fabric, Purview, Teams. Wow, the list just goes on and on. It's kind of like walking into a massive library with no idea what book you're looking for. It's really easy to just feel lost.
And it really is a whole galaxy of skills out there. But, to get anywhere, you've got to pick a star and start charting a course. So that's what we're going to do. Let's narrow our focus and find a clear path forward. And here we go. This is our path. We're going to zoom in from that huge universe of products to one specific family of tools, the Microsoft Power Platform.
So what is the Power Platform? Well, think of it like a toolkit. It's a whole suite of apps that are all designed to work together to help you analyze data, build your own custom apps, and even automate workflows. It has things like Power Apps, Power Automate, and of course, our star for today, Power BI.
And you can see here how all these tools really fit together. It's a whole ecosystem. And as you can see, Power BI is a really big piece of that puzzle. So it's not just some standalone program. It's a core part of this bigger suite that's built to empower everyone in a business.
All right, we've found our star. We are now putting the spotlight squarely on Power BI. This is where we stop talking high level and get into a practical tool that you can start using, well, right away.
So what is it? Here's all you really need to know. Power BI is your data storytelling tool. It's all about taking boring old numbers from a spreadsheet or a database and turning them into these incredible, compelling visuals and interactive reports that, frankly, anyone can understand. It's about making data come alive.
And this quote right here, this says it all. This is pulled directly from the learning goals of the intro module. See, it's not just about making pretty charts. The whole point is to make your business more efficient by finding the insights that are hiding in your data.
So you might be asking, is this for me? Well, let's see. The official training is built for data analysts, regular business users, and functional consultants. What that tells me is that Power BI is super versatile. It's valuable whether you're a super technical person or someone who's making big picture business decisions. Okay, enough theory. How do you actually begin? This is the best part. Microsoft Learn gives you the perfect first step, a simple, single module called Get Started Building with Power BI.
And check this out. How long do you think it takes to complete this first official step into the world of Power BI? Just 21 minutes. That's it. That is less time than it takes to eat lunch. In 21 minutes, you can get started with a seriously powerful new skill.
Now, if you're feeling a little nervous, don't be. This might be the most important thing you see today. There are 0 prerequisites. Absolutely none. You don't have to be a coder. You don't have to be a database genius. You can literally just start.
And look at how they break down those 21 minutes. It's all these tiny, digestible little pieces. You've got a 1-minute intro, 3 minutes on how to use it, 8 minutes on the building blocks. It's all designed to be super approachable and to build your confidence one small step at a time. So you've spent 21 minutes, you've finished your first module. What's next? This is where it gets really, really exciting. That one tiny step is actually the beginning of a path that leads to some incredibly valuable professional skills. Remember who this was for. It really covers the whole spectrum. A business user might use Power BI to look at reports and make decisions. Meanwhile, a data analyst is the one in the background, building, cleaning, and modeling the data to create those reports. Power BI becomes the common language that both of them speak. And you know what? Speaking that language can open up a lot of doors. The skills you start building in that little 21-minute module, they are the foundation for career paths like data analyst, data engineer, solutions architect, and more. This isn't just learning a fun new tool. It's building a professional skill set.
And that's really the main takeaway here. That tiny 21-minute investment, it's not the destination. It's the very first step on a much larger learning path. It's the key that unlocks the door to a whole world of deeper knowledge.
Which brings us to our final question. In every single business, every organization, your data is constantly telling a story. It's talking about your customers, your operations, your wins, your challenges. With a tool like Power BI, you finally have a way to actually understand what it's saying. So the only question left is, are you ready to listen?